Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a blow-up rabbit. This is a traditional model. I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of qaumi. And as you'll notice, you actually can see both sides of the paper. So if you start with the other side of the paper up, you'll fold one that looks like this. Which I actually really like the look of this white one, but the pink shows up a little better in the video, so I'm going to show you how to fold one that looks like this. And we're going to start with the colored side of the paper up, but if you want to fold one that looks like this one, then you'll start with the colored side down and then follow all the same steps. But we're going to fold one like this, and like I said, we'll start with the colored side up, then we'll valley fold in half along the horizontal. So I'll bring this top edge down to lie along the bottom edge. Just line that up all the way across and then crease. And then unfold. Now valley fold in half along the vertical. So we'll bring the right edge over to the left edge. And line it up corner to corner. And then crease that down. And then unfold. Now turn the paper over. Next we'll valley fold in half along both of the diagonals. So I'll bring this top right edge down to the bottom left edge. And then crease that. And then unfold. Now bring the top left corner down to the bottom right corner. And then crease that all the way across. Now unfold. Next we're going to form all of these creases at the same time. So if you start by bringing these two creases on the right down to the very bottom, then everything should start to just fold itself on its own. Then you can just press it all flat. It should come together like this. You should have two flaps on the right and two flaps on the left. Next, we're going to bring this bottom edge in to lie along this center vertical crease. So just fold it up so this point comes all the way to the top point. And then crease that. Then do the same thing on the left side. Just like this. Now both of those points should be up at the top here. Next we're going to bring this right point in to lie along the center here. And the crease we're going to make should be vertical. So we'll fold that in. Then just try to keep this crease vertical, so it should be parallel to this vertical crease. Just like that. Then do the same thing on the left side. Next, we're going to swing this flap out, making a valley fold right along where the edge of this paper is. Just pull it out like this. Then you should be able to crease it down right along that paper underneath. And then unfold. Do the same thing on the left side. and then unfold that. Now back on the right side here, we're going to take this edge right here and line it up with that crease we just made. So you'll fold it down like this. Should look like that. Next, if you look right on this flap, you'll notice there's a pocket. We'll need to open that up. Then we're going to tuck this flap into that pocket. You might need to bend it just a little bit so it starts going in. And then just tuck it in there all the way. And it should fold in on that valley fold we made in the previous step. Then we'll do the same thing on this side, so we'll bring this edge down to lie along this crease. And then we'll open that pocket up. And then tuck that flap inside. Now turn the model over. Then we're going to align this top right edge in with this center vertical crease. Just bring that down, and you'll want to just look up the top and make sure your fold starts from that very topmost point. It should line up all the way down. Then we'll do the same thing on the left side. Next, we're going to valley fold this flap out to the side. And the fold is going to start right from this point here. And it's going to make a 45-degree angle relative to this edge on the bottom. And when you do that, it should make this edge parallel to this edge. Just like this. Then we'll do the same thing on the left side. So it should look like that. Next, we'll bring this bottom right edge in to lie along this center vertical crease. Just like that. And do the same thing on the left side. Next, we're going to have to pick the model up, and you'll notice there's a small hole on the front here. You're going to have to blow directly into that hole, and it will inflate the whole model. So I'll show you what I mean. Just like that. And then for the final step, we'll just need to open up these ears so you can see the other color. So you just gently open them like this. Just enough so you can see the white side of the paper. And then we're all done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.